Now, we are moving on to chapter 3. Okay, and in chapter 3, we would like to select and prepare cells. Yeah. And it's going to talk about the absolute and relative referencing. So let's try this thing together. So example 3.1, we found all these average and standard deviation. And example 3.2, we would like to create a table from an equation. So um, page 65. This is something I would like you guys to try. And here you need to realize this equation. Let me just that equation in there for you. So it's y is 2 times x squared plus 5. So how about you guys work on this a little bit to realize a table that is provided in example 3.2. And then to realize this thing from x is 0 up to 10, we did this thing, right? So x is y, and x I have 0, 1, 2. And what you can do is you select a few of those cells, right? And then you can drag down to make it like this, right? And now you're going to have your corresponding y, which is 2 times your x, x being squared plus 5. I hope no one is doing like this by now, right? This is just recognized as what? As a character. It's not an equation. So in order to use this as a calculator, you need to hit equal sign and then 2 times your x, which is the cell here, being squared plus 5. And here as well, 2 times your x in cell D72 being squared plus 5. Or you can just copy and paste down here, right? So that way, now it's very simple. You now have a table of x and y just like that. And this table realizes this equation up there. Okay. And here, what if you want to add a cell in between? Like let's say you want to have it for 3.5. Okay. That way, one way is I cut Control X and I paste it like that, and I have this 3.5 inserted. Oh wow. Excel just automatically all I did was just type in 3.5 and then it filled out this cell for me. This is a new feature. I'm a little bit surprised, but what you can do, what you can do is just copy and paste your equation, right? And also check whether it's done correctly. And you need to fill out this thing. Or you can right click and insert a line, and this is 1.7. And you copy and paste. And now you just found your y value for your x, which is 1.7. Just like that, right?